If you know any successful people, they're all going to tell you that they have a whiteboard or a journal. You could use the whiteboard or the journal in order to brainstorm. And this is pretty much similar to the mumbling one, but for this one, you're actually writing something down. You could get the whiteboard and a marker, or you could just get a journal and a pencil. You give yourself a certain talk, idea, and then from there, you just start spitting out as many ideas that are coming to you. To make it easier for yourself, you could set a timer. Don't you love the timer? Something about the timer adds discipline to a creative field. Something about the timer builds urgency. And you don't only have to use the timer by itself. You can use the timer plus another narrative, which raises the stakes even more. So let's say someone comes to you and is like, explain why the game of basketball is better than any other sport out there. You have 2 minutes, and if you don't finish it in 2 minutes, in terms of generating your ideas at least, then you'll die. How much you believe this high pressure narrative will influence your creativity. It will influence you in terms of generating the ideas fast and not judging yourself too much. Because if you really think you're going to die after the 2 minutes, no idea is a bad idea. You're just sharing all these ideas and you're sort of like a machine gun. Be like the machine gun during brainstorming rather than having a bow and arrow approach. Machine gun generates a whole bunch of ideas, and you could do that with a whiteboard and a marker or a journal and a pencil.